everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am 𝕊𝕠𝕚𝕚 and I am the Eclectic Herbalist. So it is the beginning of the month. What that means is it is time for another unboxing from Apothecary at Home. And the theme for this month is the musculoskeletal system. So let's get into a little bit of the herbal actions we will want to look for before we get into the unboxing. I have the PDF as always. The first herbal action you want to look for are anti-inflammatories, and anti-inflammatories are herbs that will kind of reduce inflammation, swelling, things like that. The next herbal action you'll want to look for is an antispasmodic, and what an antispasmodic does is it kind of relaxes the cramping in your muscles. I do believe I went over it in a previous unboxing video for raspberry leaf, I believe I talked about. But the next herbal action you'll look for is astringent herbs, which kind of help the mucous membrane suck it up. Skin tightens the pores, tightens the skin. It's a tightening herb is what it is. The next one is an emollient, and those are kind of slippery, so it's going to be mucilagin. So what an emollient is it will help inflamed tissues and ease digestion. And if you have a coughing, like a very dry coughy sore throat, it kind of soothes that. The last herbal action you will want to look for is a 𝕬𝕚stat, and 𝕬𝕚stats are kind of like astringents in the fact that they help tighten the muscle. So with that information, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and I will see you when your turn. If you are new to my channel and interested in witchcraft and herbalism, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's kind of what my channel is about, but in today's video, this month's box was, like I said, about the musculoskeletal system, and it does look like next month's box is going to be a revamping of herbs for mental health. So Apothecary at Home did get a new label and box design, and I do think it is quite lovely. As you can see, my box is damaged, but like I said, I'm pretty sure it was just from delivery because, you know, they don't care. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. And the first thing out of our box is our pack of loose leaf tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, and it is called Replenish. It has organic spearmint, nettle, oat straw, red clover, and red raspberry leaf. Next, we got two 4-ounce glass maceration jars that we usually get in every box. And then this month, since our projects are all about solves, we have 2 metal tins. This month we did only get 1 muslin cloth bag for straining. Upon signing up, they do give you the option of soy wax or beeswax. I did choose beeswax, so I got 1 ounce of beeswax. Next up was our surprise gift from Blue Poppy Bath & Body, and it was a sore muscle rub with arnica and menthol. And it came with this little card, so as you can see, it helps with sore muscles, aches, and bruises. Following that, we did get 4 labels for naming and dating our projects. Another little lovely gift we get every month are these hand-drawn prints from the owner's mother, Virgie. The first of the 2 being Syntheum Officinal, which is also comfrey. And the second one being a sketch of Plantica lanceolata, which is also known as plantain. Another thing I do love about the box is that they do provide seeds for an herb that they featured. This month we did get 5 comfrey seeds. So starting off, we did get 2 ounces of comfrey herb. Do take note of the external use only tag. It is currently banned by the FDA for internal consumption, so you will want to use it in ointments and creams for its astringent tendencies. And magically, it is used for travel and protection against theft. Our second herb was 2 ounces of plantain leaf. Medically, plantain can be used for wound healing, and it helps against diseases related to the skin, respiratory organs, and digestive organs. Magically, plantain can be used in spells for strength, healing, and protection. The third and final herb in our box was 1 ounce of chickweed. And medically, chickweed can be used for constipation, itching, and muscle and joint pains. And magically, chickweed can be used for healing, fertility, love, and purification spells. And that is all we had in this month's box. If you are interested in grabbing next month's box, I do have a link in the description below. It will get you 15% off if you want to go ahead and click that. Alright, welcome back, and that was basically it. There were some changes, as you may have noticed, and my poor dear box was damaged, which I do not fault the company for. It was probably during shipping because they don't always care about our packages. I did kind of want to point out a few things because I did in a few other videos, but I ended up reshooting those videos, so those statements were never made. Anyways, I am at 245 followers at the time of filming this video, which is, for me, amazing. I don't even think I know that many people personally, let alone people to find my awkwardness interesting enough to sit through and watch. So I do want to thank all of you for subscribing, and those of you who have watched, and those who comment correcting things I mispronounce. It actually helps me a lot because sometimes I'll hear it 30 different ways, so I don't know which way is which. I haven't shot a crafting video, like an herbal crafting video, in quite some time. So with this month's box, we are going to be making those 2 tinctures, or with this month's box, we are going to be making those 2 salves. So I figured, since I finally got my work area cleaned off, I will go ahead and film a step-by-step process on 1 or 2 of those, depending on how many I make. But also, I wanted to announce a little giveaway for my shop. I did open pre-orders on the 1st of June, but they are no longer open, so the full launch is June 15th, which is this coming Tuesday. I do have a gift starter tea box that is kind of the highest priced item, and I did want to give it away in a giveaway, but I don't know how to do a giveaway, especially not on YouTube, so I will look into that a little bit deeper, and on the next video I film, I will kind of lay out how the giveaway will go, but it will be for that tea set, or the gift set, which is 3 tin flavors, 3 pouch flavors, and 2 jars of the honey, and all of the steepers, things like that. Anyways, yeah, I've been kind of busy other than the business launch and pre-launch, getting all that together, editing some videos, kind of behind on that. I have been working on my book again. If any of you remember in my video where I talked about quitting my job, I mentioned I had a lot more time to work on a book I had been writing, but I was stuck on a writer's block for like the past 6 months, and I finally had the energy and motivation to sit down and finish the last 2 or 3 chapters that I had to do for that draft, and I am now on my 3rd and final draft until I move to editing, so I will probably talk about that a little bit more as well, probably once I get into the editing stage. But I have posted on my main, or my personal Instagram, a few lines, and I did start a kind of author Instagram, I would believe, which again, once I get closer to the editing stage, I will announce just a little bit more. because it's kind of been a project for me for the last 2 years. It is my baby, so I am kind of keeping it on the hush hush. Only people in my personal life, or everyone in my personal life, if you follow my personal information, my personal social medias, you'll have a little bit more information. And then my closest friends did kind of get a sneak peek at the first cover book, like the cover of it, kind of what I started. A few of them were just kind of getting an idea, but a good handful of them turned out really nice. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are interested in the crafting videos, or you are just interested in herbalism and witchcraft, that is what my whole account is about. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. It helps me grow. Anyways, that is all I have for today's video. I do hope to see you all in the next one. And of course, have a lovely day. As always, I hope you guys have a lovely, great day. I shoot these in the morning, so it's all day for me. If it's nighttime when you watch this, have a good night. But anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.